Glam Kitchen gang and new viewers. I am Shantae with the Glam Kitchen, and I've got another top tier recipe for y'all. We are gonna make an amazing mac and cheese, and no, you do not need to make a roux. No, you do not need all those fancy cheeses, okay? Full recipe is available at the link in the description box. Now let's get into it. Boil a large deep pot of water. I like to drizzle a little oil in my boiling water. We're using macaroni elbow noodles. Boil these according to the box. You want to cook them al dente. Drain your noodles. Add your noodles to a large mixing bowl. Add 1 melted stick of unsalted butter, not margarine. Give it a good stir. Add 2 cracked and beaten eggs. Give it a good stir. Add 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Give it a good stir. Add 2 cups of heavy cream. Then 1 cup of half and half. Give it a good stir. Add 1 teaspoon of seasoning salt, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/8 a teaspoon of ground black pepper. Now you really want to give this a good stir because we need those seasonings all up and through this mix. Add 16 ounces of Colby Jack or Monterey Jack cheese. And 8 ounces of sharp cheddar cheese. Give it a good final stir. Take your time, don't rush. We want this mixed very well. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees. Spray a large deep baking dish with nonstick spray. Pour it in that baking dish. I like to flatten it and level it with my spoon. And we're topping this with 8 ounces of Colby Jack or Monterey Jack cheese. Bake uncovered at 375 for 40 minutes. And look at that. Wow, y'all. It's the bubbling cheese for me. This is truly a top tier mac and cheese, and I know that y'all are gonna love this recipe. Let's get into this so that y'all can see this cheesy goodness. Child. Seriously, this is just everything. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you've enjoyed it, please make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And until next time, bye-bye.